Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Ruckus motor scooter, 50 cc's, over 100 miles per gallon. This is electric start, automatic transmission. I love those bug-eye headlights on the Ruckus. This thing is fun to ride, easy to ride. Probably goes about almost 40 miles per hour. Beautiful condition, only 110 miles on this awesome black Ruckus. Come on by. Make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $29.99. We have financing available. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.